Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are on board Wonder of the Seas and we are in an ocean view balcony room on deck 10, aft port side. So I'm going to take you on a little room tour and show you everything there is to see. All right, so when you first walk in, you'll see this is the light switch. This monitors your lights, so if you have it out, then you won't have your lights on. You do not have to use your room key. There is a demo blank key card in here for you to have access to. You can also monitor the lights right here to turn them on and off. As you walk in, this room, particularly to the right, does look like it connects. So that is locked. That goes to the next room. But that is an option if you have a larger family and you want to do that. And then as you walk in, to the left will be the restroom. And it's actually a fairly large restroom compared to a lot of other cruise ships. I love the clear glass shower, so much better than the curtain. Makes it feel more open and spacious. You'll see you have a shower head there that does have handheld. And then you have your soap dispenser. So this is going to be a duo, a hair and body wash. So if that's not your thing, then you might want to bring your own shampoo, conditioner, body wash, whatever it is that you prefer. But yeah, you have your shower head there. There is a clothesline that goes across and hooks for you to hang your swimsuits, but fairly spacious there. And then you have over here, you have your shelves, 3 shelves. Up there you have your shaver plug-in as well. And then your sink with your hand soap. So yeah, and then underneath there's a little trash bin and stuff like that, just normal bathroom stuff. But yeah, it's pretty spacious. As you come out, there's your temperature gauge there if you want to change the temperature. This will be the first closet. This is a little bit narrower for hanging space, but it is a full length. You can see all of our stuff in there. You do have some shelving here and your safe as well. And then there are 2 drawers under here that do pull out all the way. These are perfect for packing cubes if you use those. 2 drawers here. You also have a couple of shelves right next to the bed on either side. And then one thing I really love is you have your USB and a plug outlet right by the bed, which is really nice for you to charge your phone at night. And then you can also control the overhead lights right there on the right-hand side of the bed. You also have a couple of different hanging spots that you can utilize. There's one up top there, and then you have these little ones right underneath the television that you can use. There's your TV. You have a full-length mirror right here. And then on this side of the bed, you also have the same thing. You have a lamp, you have a USB, you have a plug, and then you also have the storage right underneath here. On to closet number 2. So this actually has 2 different hanging racks, but you can remove this one if you need full length for anything. You can take that one off. But you can hang stuff there. You might want to, if you want to hang a lot of things, you might want to bring some extra hangers, but fairly spacious there. And then here is our sleeper sofa. I am thinking that this pulls into a trundle down here because it's not the same level. It has a mattress in it. So I think it's 2 beds that pulls into a trundle at night for sleeping. This room does sleep 4 people. Over here you have your mirror vanity space. It does have a backlit mirror that lights up, which is nice. You have your desk space here. There's no under desk drawer under there, just to note. But you do have several plugins here. So you have the adapters that you can plug in, the cruise, if you have the little cruise ones that have the additional outlets on them. There's also 2 USB plugs, and then there's a couple other standard plugs there. So there's plenty of plug space, in my opinion, anyways. And then over here, you have this top drawer space here. There are some drawers here. They're not as deep, but you got some tissues, a hair dryer. And then you have 4 drawers over here that are a little more narrow. This folder in here includes your room service, breakfast menus, room service info there. And they're all pretty much the same. There are 4 smaller, shorter drawers. We'll probably have the kids using those since they'll be sleeping on this side of the room. And I did want to note the things that you see when you walk in. So if you have tickets for short excursions, those are going to be on the desk for you, along with any additional information. If you have the internet, how to log into the internet. This is going to be laundry or ironing. And then, so outside your door, you'll have this, which will be a sealed envelope. It will have your key cards in it. That's how you access your room. Our room was ready when we got here a little after 1 o'clock. The email said when we got here, prior to arriving, that the rooms would be ready at 1 p.m. So we didn't have a problem with that. Bags won't be here till after 3. So just to note that. And then we stopped by Adventure Ocean and registered our little guy, and we got a schedule here with a welcome guide that has the hours and the activities. And then kids under 12 have a different wristband to wear all the time. So they have a little kids safety briefing. And then the cruise compass is done by this QR code. You can access all the activities on board for each day by scanning that QR code. All right, and then this is an Oceanview balcony room. As I mentioned, we are port side. It's just a small balcony. There's 2 chairs out there that recline a little bit, and then a table, and the door slides open. One thing to note about this is if the door is not locked, your AC will not operate. So just note that if you want to have the door open because it's nice, that's fine. Just remember that if you need the AC on, that you lock the door back. So yeah, I think that is going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure if you like our videos that you hit that like and bell icon so you can be notified every time we make a new video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, we will see you later.